Big Cloud has shad scent. This will work so good for...
Hey, those are my balls!
Attention security! There are 2 guys running around here. I'm not sure what the hell they're doing, but I want them out of here now. It's those 2 ballers right there.
Wait, I didn't do it. I was just protecting
But
that's my hat.
No, it's not your hat. But
That's my hat. I have one just like that.
Oh, a good friend of mine gave it to me.
That's my hat.
Yeah. You know, it's a lot like my buddy Italo Labignan wears.
Now you're pulling that weight.
No. And you know what? You should meet him sometime because he catches some fish. Small fish. Yeah, small fish. Yeah.